as Sean attempts the world's smallest inside loop. We call this the alley-oop. Climbing now on the left-hand side of the aerobatic box. Rolls on the upline. Crosses out of airspeed. Pulls back. Camera's ready, everybody. He's going to accelerate to 215 miles per hour. Set up for the triple ribbon cut. 3 separate flight attitudes. Now 18 feet off the ground. He goes right knife edge. Upside down. The white and the blue, a God Bless America night here at Miramar. Experiencing 10 times the pull of gravity as he climbs skyward and sets up for the first of these very unique maneuvers called the forward flip. Sean D. Tucker now sets up. As he recovers inverted, he'll roll upright and set up for the outside loop with a tumble at the top. Positive G's on the way up. Watch for the tumble. Recovering upright, he'll push through, and a negative G recovery. 6 G's trying to toss him right out of the cockpit.
Yes.
His altitude for smash.
You like
He'll
it?
level off. Show center, there's the pull-up. Watch for the roll. 1 3/4 shoulder roll to the outside. As gravity slows him down, he comes to 0 airspeed, kicks hard on the left rudder for not 1, but 2 simultaneous hammerhead stall turns. Challenger 3. It was custom built specifically for Sean by his team. He'd reached the limits of the other aircraft. It couldn't keep up with Sean. It weighs in at a mere 1,220 pounds. Very lightweight, with an almost 400 horsepower engine and a Hartzell propeller. Built on honor, it makes it the most high-performance aerobatic plane in the world today.
You can fly
Sean,
them,
inspired by the new generation of radio-controlled pilots, whose airplanes could do things that fixed-wing pilots couldn't do, full-scale pilots couldn't do. Here's one of those maneuvers. It is the frisbee turn, flat, inverted, sliding around, all the way around. Give it up for Sean D. Tucker, everybody. And now it's time to go live to the cockpit and say hello to Sean D. Tucker. Sean D. Tucker, are you with us?
It's pretty short. Good. In the neighborhood, Robert. He's coming. Let's stay together. It's pretty short. In the English language. You got that right. It's
It's okay, it's not true. The truth is, someone from the audience is crazy. Yeah, I know. It would be nice if we had binoculars.
All right, Sean, ladies and gentlemen, doing a 700-foot reverse move called a torque roll. Which is for Sean D. Tucker. Now, I want you to look out on the runway in front of you. You might see some poles out there. There are 3 sets of them. They're spaced 700 feet apart. They are 50 feet apart between them and a ribbon between each one at just 18 feet above the ground. Sean D. Tucker, watch him as he dives down. He'll go under ribbon number 1 when the wheels touch. Down to number 2. He'll pull up above that 3rd ribbon as he climbs skyward. Watch for the airplane to tumble to the outside. And another forward flip. They call that the flip top. A triple ribbon cut. He wants to cut all 3 ribbons in one single pass in 3 separate flight attitudes. It is an incredibly challenging maneuver to do. So Sean's going to take another pass to make sure everything looks right in this setting sun. As he dives down towards show center, he'll go back